Today is my leg day. My leg has always been weak. Let's start our exercise with squat. So we just finished our squat. Squat सिधा हामीले squat गर्न चाहिँ मलाई गाह्रो लाग्छ त्यही पनि अलिअलि भयो नि गऱ्यो. So now we are going to do this टाइपमा डम्बल बोकेर तर एउटै ठाउँमा बसेर. थाकेदै that I saw on Facebook. I don't know the name of the exercise, but I'm still going to perform it. Yes, that is. Boost. I know I'm a pat on no person. With another. So now we are going to do hamstring curl for hamstrings. Nice. So we just finished our hamstring curl. अब चाहिँ सिंगल लेग क्लाइम्ब अप गर्ने त्यो चाहिँ फुल स्ट्रेचमा त्यो चाहिँ मेरो गो टु एक्सर्साइज हो लास्टमा गर्ने बिकज माई लेग्स आर भेरी विक. लेट्स डु इट. ल ल ल ल ल छिटो छिटो खोइ खोइ दामी दामी. Now it's time for our calves. Sorry. let's hit calves. So now it's our turn for standing calf raise. I like to go high repetition then going heavy. So that's it for today, guys. Today was my leg day. My leg is not that strong. While hitting heavy, I am hurting my joints, so I try to go high repetition rather than doing heavy weights. So see you next time. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. I think I will be coming live every day. अनि लाइभमा रिटेक पनि गर्नु मिल्दैन. So mistake भएमा माफी गर्नु होला. धन्यवाद. See you tomorrow.